the previous video, we saw how our program can take decisions using the switch case statements. In this video, we will learn about the conditional operator, also known as ternary operator, which is capable of taking decisions. First of all, let us see why is it called ternary. Operators are classified as unary, binary, and ternary depending upon the number of operands which the operator is working on. For example, you learned the increment operator plus plus, which increases the value of a single operand, so it is unary. Then you learned the arithmetic operators for performing addition, subtraction, etc. These work on two operands, and so these are called binary operators. Conditional operator is called ternary operator because it works on three operands. Now, suppose if I wish to find the larger number out of the two given numbers, then I will declare two integer variables. Let us call them num1 and num2, and another variable large to store the larger number. Then I will use an if condition to check whether num1 is greater than num2. And if this condition is true, that is, if num1 is greater than num2, then store num1 in the variable large. And if this condition is false, that is, if num1 is lesser than num2, then store num2 in large. And finally, I am displaying the larger number here. Let me run this program and see the output. We can find out the larger number using conditional operator in a single line. First, let me comment this code. And now this is the syntax of conditional operator. It first includes the condition, then a question mark, and then a statement, followed by a colon, and after this colon we have another statement. First, this condition is checked. If it is true, then the statement written after this question mark is executed, and if it is false, then the statement written after the colon is executed. Now we can check whether num1 is greater than num2 or not, and if it is, then num1 should be stored in the variable large, and if it is false, then num2 should be stored in the variable large. And now if I run this program, we will be getting the same output.